Hey, welcome again to Decent T&C. If it is your first time, do subscribe, like and share the video. 4 investors launch RWF25BN Silverback Mall in Kicukiro, Kigali. 4 private investors have launched their newly completed Silverback Mall in Kicukiro district, city of Kigali, adding more space to the commercial building market in the area of Sonatubes. Built on a space of 30,000 square meters, Silverback Mall with its 2 basement floors and 4 floors has a total 26,000 square meters of rented areas that can accommodate tenants with diverse businesses. It was completed within 3 years. It belongs to 4 investors who work under Superman Estates company which ventures in build and rent. We made this venture because we have guarantee of security in Rwanda. You cannot decide to bet such a huge amount in area where we are not sure of security because the return on investment is on long term, said Nkurikiye, co-owner and spokesperson of the investors. Nkurikiye said, they will give a grace period for interested tenants. That way, he believes, it will attract tenants which will help them defy the challenge of low occupancy rate. We are very grateful for these investors who are launching such a huge facility on Liberation Day, said Solange Mutasi, Kicukiro district coordinator.